It's simply hard to resist these seasoned water chestnuts wrapped in bacon, so you definitely have to try this incredible rumaki recipe and serve it at your next family meal. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, slice the bacon in half and wrap the water chestnut in it. Secure it with a toothpick, then place them on a baking sheet. Now bake it in the oven for 25 minutes and drain the grease once done. Then, refrigerate it for about 3 hours or overnight. Meanwhile, add the soy sauce, brown sugar, ketchup, vinegar, and granulated sugar into a bowl. Whisk to combine the ingredients, then pour it over the bacon-wrapped chestnuts. Bake it for another 20 minutes before serving with a garnish of chopped parsley. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.